Hey guys, it's Alicia, and I am going to show you how you can create a poll in a Facebook group. Now, I'm in my group. It's called the Six-Figure Online Hustle, also known as Make Money with Alicia. But I'd love for you to join this group, but here's how we do it. So I go to write something, right? So you can see right here it says write something. I click on that. And then it's going to give me all these different options of what I can write if I press these three dots on more. Now I'm going to choose the poll option right there. And now I can add a poll. So I've written out some questions already. Would you like training on? So where it says write something, this is your headline. This is where you put in the question. And now I have the different options for the poll. Making money with design, using a smartphone to make money. This group is all about making money. So teaching people how to make money by working online, marketing your business, put that over here. I think I'll just do social media marketing. Add option, social media marketing. And yeah, I'll put in tools for entrepreneurs. So I click add option to add another one. Now I have 5 options here. Tools for entrepreneurs. So one of the things that I'll do to get my poll started is I'll tag some people who are in the group. So I'll tag her. I'll tag Amanda. I'll tag Lakeisha, I'll tag Lorette, I'll tag Avalala, I'll tag Raina just to get some responses going. I'll tag Karen. I will tag Carrie. I'll tag the other Carrie. I will tag Tosh. All right, so that'll help some people see it to get the poll started. And now I press done, and I'm going to go ahead and click post. It will post. And that quickly, a poll is up right here. So let me just refresh the page. Here we go. New activity. Would you like more training on? And then now they can pick what they want more training on and vote on it. And when they do vote on it, you'll see their face over here, and you can hover over it to see who it is. And you can see what they voted for. Yes, they can vote for more than one, or they could just vote for one. So that's how to create a poll in a Facebook group. Try it. Okay, 3 hours later, you can see it says I created a poll and it's been up for 3 hours. So let's see what the results are so far. Using a smartphone to make money, 14 votes. Tools for entrepreneurs, 13 votes. Marketing your business, 11 votes. Social media marketing, 5 votes. This was added by someone else, so you can have your students or the people in your Facebook group also add questions. So this was added by Mitzi Administration CRMs, and you can see that a few people want that. 5 votes, and then Make Money with Design is 4 votes. So now I know that, as I am creating new courses for my students, I definitely know what they want to learn about. Now, it's only been up for 3 hours, so I'd come back in a full 24 hours, see where it's at so far. If I want to feature this and pin it to featured, I can definitely do this to pin it to the top. Also, if I have the email addresses of my group members, I can email them and let them know that a poll is in the group, and I'll get more votes on the poll that way. Or I could tag more group members to get more action on the poll as well. So that's it. I hope that you do join my Facebook group and you can see more strategies on what we're doing to make our group more engaging. That group, you can just look for it, the Six-Figure Online Hustle, or you can go to facebook.com/groups/Make Money with Alicia. I will see you inside my Facebook group. Bye for now.